Hi there, it's Jon Jacobs from the Youth Music Initiative. I've been asked to teach you a little Christmas song using your iPads. So we're going to have a go at that. Okay, if you're not familiar with GarageBand and you don't have it on your iPad yet, you can download it from the App Store, like you do all your other apps. And there's a few things, once you get it on your iPad, there's a couple of things that we have to think about. First thing is you'll notice that along the bottom of my screen, I have got the names of all my notes. Okay, so they're all on the keys. So I know if I need to play a G, I can press one of those and that'll play the note of G. If you don't have that and you don't know how a piano works, go out of GarageBand, close it down, find your settings. And what you want to do is on the left here, you've got all the apps. I've got too many apps on my iPad. That's being a parent. So you want to find GarageBand. And where it says keyboard note labels, which I am unhighlighting and highlighting for you, you want to turn that green. Okay? So if that's green, you're good to go. So go out of there, back into GarageBand. Now, it might not, mine will probably bring up the keyboard that you saw at the start of the video, but let's go back to basics. Under where it says 1442, at the top left-hand side of my iPad, there's a picture of a page, okay? So if you press that page, you will come to this screen. If you're on this screen already, then don't do anything until I've told you what to do. So where it says select, if you go left from there, there's a microphone. Left again, there's 4 squares. Left again, there is a plus sign. Press the plus sign, and it brings you back to this page. Now, if you press on the keyboard, it should bring you to this eventually. If it comes up like this, the button that looks like a red test tube, I suppose, press that, and it will change it back into a keyboard. So if you didn't catch that, it's on the right-hand side, just above the keyboard. And see it turns red when I press it? Press that button, and it will bring you back to the keys. Now, when the keys come up, they should have note names on them. Okay? If they don't, go back to the start of the video and go through all those steps again and see if it works. Okay? Hopefully it should. Now, we need to, what we need to do now is make sure that we've got all the notes we need to play the tune, okay, which currently aren't on our screen. Okay, so where it says glissando here, so there's a picture of a grand piano, and then under that there's this button here, which you can see me changing there. So change it to when it says scroll, and then this here is your first note, so you want to move that all the way to the left hand side, and now we have all the notes for the tune. Okay, so let's just go through. The verse, we'll start with the verse. So that's the dashing through the snow bit. If you look at the notes that should accompany this video, you'll see that your first line goes G, E, D, C, G. So it goes G, E, D, C, G. Okay, that's your first line. So there's your dashing through the snow. Then you've got the same thing, except you play the G twice at the beginning and land on A instead of G. So it's on a one-horse open sleigh. Yeah? So. Okay, then you play pretty much the same thing as the second line, except up. You use these notes here. So you're going to go. Yeah, so A, F, E, D, B, then G, G, F, D, E. Okay, so all of that together. If you ever need to, if I play something and you need to stop and practice it, by all means stop and practice it. Okay, so the whole thing together for that verse. Okay, there you go. So hopefully you can see my keys lighting up as I press them, because if you can't, that's really not very helpful. But yeah, as I press the keys, if you can follow that along, you've got the rhythm as well for the tune, okay? Otherwise, you can sing it. Your next bit starts with the same 2 lines, so G, E, D, C, G, G, E, D, C, A, F, E, D. That's where it changes, so stop there and play G 4 times, then A, G, F, D, C. Okay, so I'll take that all the way through. Okay, feeling really confident you can land on that G before you go into the chorus. Okay, so the whole thing all together. There we go, so that's the verse. Okay, so now for the chorus. Again, the notes are written out for you, so I'll try and keep it as simple as possible because there's lots of repeats here. So if I try and say every note that I play, it'll just get confusing. So you start off with 6 E's, then jump, then a 7th, then jump up to the G, then C, D, E. So then you go F, F, F to the E, then to the D, then your G, then same thing again. So then F, and jump up to the G again, F, D, C. Okay, so there you go, the whole thing through. Okay, try putting that together. Like I said, if there's anything you're struggling with, just pause the video and practice. Practice just helps everything. It'll iron out any little mistakes you've got there. So yeah, I look forward to see how you get on. Merry Christmas. See you later.